Hey, Miss Pat, gonna just do a quick refresher on starting a roster page for a combine. So Blue Gray has sent me an email with a new roster combine for a new, to create a new page, not an update, to create a new page for the roster. So this one's for Southern Cal. So I wanted to kind of rehash some things that we've done. Uh, this particular one, I went ahead without thinking what I was doing. I went ahead and first you go and filter the date so you can you can filter out what pages have been created this month or whatever month we're in if you need to see that. But I went ahead and made this first page because I wanted to give you an idea of what I want to title the pages this season. And this one I titled Southern California. You can see up here, Southern California Regional Combine Roster 2017. But I left that blank, but that's already created, and this is the one I want you to build the roster page with. All right, then going back out, and then going to February, filter out again. I made a new Combine roster template right here. It says 2017 Combine roster template, Miss Pat. And so what you'll do is you'll take this. This is just the template that you'll use. You'll take all of this and copy that. Go back to what you'll be doing for after this page, today, you'll be creating an add new page, up here, and then you'll put the title in, make, similar to what I've titled that one, and then you'll put it in here. But for this one, I've already done the page with the title and titled it. So I'm going to go and I'm going to filter that and get that back again. All right, so I'm going to go back to this one. Okay, and then I'm just going to take and copy and paste what I just copied off that template. And then I'm going to save draft. Okay. Next, go to let me just go. I'm going to go over here to the Blue Gray website, and I'm going to pull up the combine schedule page where we have the combine schedules, and I'm going to look and I see Southern California Regional right here, Glendale College, Glendale, California, February 25th, 2017. So now going back over here to this template over here, I see the name of the combine. It's Southern California Regional. I put like an example. All caps will be replaced in this template. You can see I got all caps here for the venue, the city, state, date, month, there. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this Southern California Regional. Put it in here in the name of the combine. The venue will be Glendale College. They want us to put the type of surface in here this year, so I'm putting Glendale College, replacing the venue right there, pasting in Glendale College to our service, city and state, Glendale, California, replacing that right there with what I'm using, and then the day I don't have on this, but the 25th is, it's a Saturday, right? Yeah, it's Saturday. So I'm going to do Saturday, and then I'm going to paste in my month, date, and year, or you just do month and date. The template already has 2017 in there. And then we don't have the report time. Okay. The report time, I'm going to have to maybe let you know what the report time is every time. Anyway, I got the report time off of this at 11 o'clock. Let me work out how to get the report time on here. Let me get back with you on that. But anyway, the report time on this particular combine is 11 o'clock a.m. and I'm updating this today, February 21, and more players will be added or received. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and save that draft. Shoot, I'm sitting here doing it. Anyway, I'm sitting here doing it for you now. I just realized. Okay, anyway, so the roster, I'm going to send you down the file like I usually do. Oops, wrong one. Like this, and it'll look like this. Remember, it's got that table and all that. And all you have to do is just copy all of this. I'm going to let you do this part. Yeah, I'm going to let you do this part. Well, no, I'm going to go ahead and do it. I'm going to go ahead and do it. And then you get credit for doing this. I just wanted to refresh you today. I'm going to copy those players, and I'm going to come down right here. I'm probably going to put, in the template, I'll put something like place here or something. So after the T-body and before the close T-body tag, I'm just going to paste those players in there. And then I'm going to say publish. What do you think for dinner? I can have turkey routes, but what should I fix you? Robin asking me what I want for dinner. And let's see. Okay, so then I'm going to go up here and say view page just to see what it looks like. Workout roster. Okay. Okay, that came up fine. Now, one thing that one of the guys will bark about, one of the staff will bark about is this. I'm going to go back to edit page that was up here at top, and I'm going to go down to the bottom, and right here where it says slider top and title, I'm going to do none. That takes out the blue title that was up top. Let's check that again just to make sure. Yeah, there was a blue title right here, but we're not using that, so I'll change that out. All right, and that's pretty much it. Now, okay, so we're on view page. We're on the page. We got the page we're writing. You know, everything's good. I'm going to take this. If you remember, you've done this before. I'm going to highlight. If you can see up here at top, I'm going to highlight the page. I just highlighted select all and get that whole URL. And I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to go to Combine Rosters page. Okay, if you remember, we do this and put it on here on this Rosters page. I'm going to go up here and do Edit Page. Now, I'm going to remove this because this is old, and don't just ignore this part right here. I'm removing something that needed to be removed weeks ago, or a couple weeks ago, and I didn't do it. Yeah, and that's part of it too. Okay, so I've got copied on my clipboard that URL. So I'm just going to just paste it so we can see it right there. Okay, now I'm going to take this right here from the combine they did in Jacksonville. From the P tag, the paragraph tag right there, where it opens right here, I'm going to copy this all the way to the closing P tag right there after the city name. I'm going to copy that and paste it. Give me some space here, so I'm going to paste it right above that. Now, what I'm going to do now is go in and change this to make it the Southern Cal page. Okay, and you could. All right, I'm going to go ahead and explain this. You don't have to put the bluegrayfootball.com part on there, but you do have to have that slash. Take from slash all the way to the end. Copy that, and then paste it right in between the quotations mark for the href. This is the link. This will be the link where when you click it, this is the page it'll go to. Is what you're setting right there. So I'll paste that in for the Southern California regional, and then I'm gonna change this day. It's Saturday. And then it was February 25th. It's called the Southern California. Remember, if you need to know the name of a combine or location, you can go to the combines page and see that we're doing the Southern California regional there. And that's in Glendale, California. Okay, now I'm going to hit over here on the right. I'm going to hit update on that. Oops. I accidentally left in that link that I just copied and pasted. I'm going to remove that. So I'm going to remove that I just copied and put in there to have, and then update it again. Okay, and then I'm going to go view page to see how that turned out. Make sure my link works. Okay, so I got Saturday, right date, Southern California Regional Combine, Glendale, California, looks good. I'm going to click on it to make sure the link works, and it works. Okay, now, last thing you have to do is go add it to the menu. So the way I do this is I go up here and I hover over this, and then I just hit the menus right there. And then up here is right here is always got the most recent page you've done. So right there's the Southern California Regional roster. I'm going to tick that box, hit add to menu now. Then, I mean, we've done this last year, you've done this before. I just want to go over it again at the new start of this season. So make sure. You know what? He didn't really, they really don't want me, actually, now I think about it, they really don't want us to do this. Huh. Yeah, so never mind this part. Never mind this, that they don't want us to put it on the menu anymore. So we're not. So forget everything I just said about going to the menu. And that's it. I know this has been a long recording, so I'm gonna end this, I think, and see if it worked. Let me know if you have a question.